What is happening? What is happening? What is...
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a hurricane warning for central Miami-Dade County and southeastern Florida until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a rotating severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles east of Havana, Cuba, or near Santiago de Cuba, moving northwest at 120 miles per hour. In addition to a hurricane, large and destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Hazard, damaging hurricane with 83-mile-an-hour sustained winds and tennis ball size hail. Source, radar confirmed hurricane rotation. Impact, heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm. This is a particularly dangerous and life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Precautionary/preparedness, take cover immediately. Move to a basement or at the lowest interior room at a sturdy building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may issue a storm surge warning. If in a mobile home or a vehicle, get to the closest shelter. Do not park your vehicle under a tunnel or overpass. They will not protect you from a hurricane.
What just happened? It's like all over the place.